What? Get it up! This shouldn't be too hard to fix. Better than new. Now test toast. Huh? And what the? Okay, don't panic. If you ever travel back in time, don't step on anything. You go squish now! But that was just one little insignificant mosquito. That can't change the future.
Hey, there's a bug that looks like Dad. Let's kill it. Okay.
This is gonna cost me. Would you kindly pass me a donut?
Donut? What's a donut?
Don't touch anything! Hey, what if donuts? Tell me!
Donuts are plentiful. What's gotten into you?
Nothing at all. Close enough.